Good afternoon. My name is Walter Wood. I am the program director for the Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning program here at Johnson College. I am very proud of the dedication that our students are putting forth in this time of uncertainty. The COVID-19 pandemic has deeply impacted each and every one of them, and they continue to go above and beyond and overcome any obstacles in their path. Their hard work and dedication is astonishing, to say the least. I truly hope you are as proud of them as I am. Thank you very much for your support, and have a nice day.